You might think creating the perfect eBay listing is something only the experts can do, but it's not as hard as you might think. Whether you're new to eBay or a seasoned seller, it's never too late to try eBay's tips and tricks to increase your chances of selling. Now we've got 5 easy steps for you to follow to create the perfect listing. Chances are when you're selling an item, someone has sold that exact same item or something very similar. All you have to do is describe the item you're listing, find a similar item and select Sell One Like This. Once you've chosen the condition of your item, the listing will autofill with important details that'll help more buyers find your listing. Feeling stuck on price? eBay has made it as easy as possible. They'll provide pricing recommendations based on what items have sold for in the past. They'll even provide you with postage recommendations based on the size and weight of the item you're selling. Being flexible with your price can actually help get it sold faster. Buyers can make you an offer, which you can either accept or decline. It's easy to edit the pre-fill template to suit the item you're selling. Make sure all the fields are filled out to give buyers the best chance of finding your item. With eBay's recommendations, it's never been easier to list your item quickly and get it sold.